I just want to show you the house that's here and then turn the camera around to show you where the dune is. That's crazy. Right opposite the house. Can you believe it? Little oasis in the middle of the
It's
dry.
nice.
Yeah.
It's nice this side if we go back a little. Water's flowing quite fast.
Oh, nice. Wow. And this is really find these beautiful little spots when you travel like this, eh? In the front here we're supposed to be going right to get to our accommodation, but we're first going to go to the town called Vitsant, which is on the left. Okay. Let's see, no cars. Port Beaufort ends here, Vitsant starts here.
Let's go see Vitsant.
Look at this deck on the roof here.
Cool. Probably buzzing over weekends.
Must be. Wow, look at that beach. No wonder they call it white sand. Vitsant.
It's pretty, eh?
Yeah. I'm going to take a drive down that other road that you showed me.
Yeah, it looks gorgeous that one too. Dune's right opposite the houses. Oh, look how wide the sand is.
Yeah.
Love it.
Wow.
I don't know, what are those?
That's now sand being blown up there. It looks like by the wind. Wow.
Which makes it a dune, no?
Yeah, definitely dunes these.
Dune stabilizer. Thank you. Case in point.
Yeah. Check out, it comes onto the road.
Good heavens.
Check out dune. Whoa.
No, that's major.
Check the size of this dune. Right here in the suburb.
Across the road is a house.
I just want to show you the house that's here and then turn the camera around to show you where the dune is. That's crazy. Right opposite the house.
And then the sand in the road there at the back.
Sand in the road at the back. I have to get a church in a town now. This one's got a thatched roof. And there's a bunch of boats next to it.
What does it say?
Port Beaufort, 1817 this church was built. 1817.
More than 200 years ago.
Crazy. Barry Memorial. That was Port Beaufort and Vitsant. Now we're going to start heading to Nonarosa.
Looks like rain.
Yeah, it does, eh?
Looks like Barry is a well-known name here. Lots of berries.
So this is the turn off to Nonarosa, 6 kilometers. Unfortunately, we're not camping today. We're going in a little chalet. Beautiful down there. Look at that gorge.
Yeah.
The river. Renosterbos, daar sy.
Is that it?
Yep. There it is.
Love it. Yeah, that's it.
It's a pity they've harvested here already, eh? It would have been nice to stay here before it was harvested. It's not wheat.
Oh, love it.
Beautiful.
And the outhouse, is that for us?
Yes. Renosterbos. This is our home for the night. So we arrived here at what we thought was Nonarosa Bush Camp. But because we're not camping, their camping site is called Nonarosa Bush Camp. So they booked us into a little house called Renosterbos. And it's really on a farm. It's an operating farm. You can have a look. They've just cleared the lands now. So let me go inside and show you. Just for the two of us. This is a bit of overkill, but check this out. The living area with a built-in braai, fireplace, you can barbecue here. But I'm going to do it outside. I prefer doing it outside. It's even got a light inside there. But it's huge. So many people can come here. The main bedroom. Another bedroom for two people. Another bedroom for two people. Bathroom. Howdy. Nice big shower. And of course the dunny. And then the old farm style kitchen. Check this out. I love this. We've got everything we need here and some rusks. We really had an awesome day today. Nice travel from Stilbaai all the way through to this area and checked out Vitsant. All the interesting things along the way, the birds and the gravel roads, of course. So yeah, thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And that's it for today. We'll see you in the next one.